remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is Delphine with another worldwide opportunity, remote job, worldwide opportunity, guys. As you can see, we have this customer service representative. The company name is Wanda Design. Yes, they have different position, but let's see this one, customer service representative. What I want to let you know, this job is global. Okay, so you can work from anywhere. As you can see, they say offering freedom and flexibility. We are a distributed team working from around the globe. We give our team member a high degree of freedom with many options from remote work. As a team, we take full ownership of our results. Okay, so this is what I wanted to let you know before we dive into the details. Yes, let's see the responsibility for this job, customer service representative. So the company is based in Tampa, Florida, United States. Okay, so you can see the job description here, the job responsibility: use email, chat, voice tool to communicate with customer, answering standard customer questions about their services, follow customer service guides. Yes, guide customer to online knowledge, understand when to escalate and correct necessary information, provide friendly services, and so many more. So the qualification here, you have to be fluent in English, excellent in writing and oral communication skills, full-time availability, and then you have to be proficient in computer skills. Yes, as you can see, their qualification is pretty much simple. All right, there is no degree required to this job position. Again, guys, they are hiring worldwide. Yes, they work from anywhere. You can work from anywhere in this position. This was among of one of the jobs they have. If you go back here, you can see they have so many jobs. Yes, this is about engineers. So if you're an engineer, you can take a look to this. But guys, most of the time I focus much about the job which don't require experience or any kind of complication. You can see customer service representative, another one here. You can click this one as well. If you go down, they say we are a distributed team working from around the globe. We give our team member as a high degree freedom with many options from remote work. All right, so this is the thing that you have to know. Yes, this is the responsibility, able to spot trends and discover patterns. So it's all about customer support representative normally. So the qualification, fluent in English, has been in a technical support role for more than 2 years. This one has a experience, require experience. Another one, you can work to that position with no experience, okay? But this one, you have to have all this experience. Again, this is about computer skills, and you have to have all these skills for this job. So let's move on to the next job we have today. We have this company, Go Team. They have so many positions. They have virtual assistant, they have digital marketing assistants. But these guys, this is a company from Philippines. They don't pay high. So if you are in the United States, this cannot be your full-time job. This can be like your side hustle because they only pay, I have seen they pay like $600, $700, only that, so monthly. So if you are in Africa, this job can fit you well, because if you click maybe this one, all right, view job, you can see their salary. All right, this is up to this amount of money. If you go to your Google and read this is $100 per month. You can see it's pretty much raw compared to the salary of United States or elsewhere. Guys, if you are in Asia, you are in Africa, so you can still work to this job, okay? The position is virtual assistant. You can work from home. The job was posted July 21st. As you can see, it's pretty much new. Virtual assistant, full remote night shift, and you get all this money, all right? $600. So this is the position. You will be downloading candidate biography from Salesforce and LinkedIn, copying and converting candidate response from timesheet into PDF, kind of data entry, all right? All that, and the skills proficiency in Microsoft Office, familiarity with Smartsheet, Salesforce in desirable, and training will be provided, ability to handle confidential information, all these kind of things. So the job is pretty much simple, but they pay very low. As you can see, $600 is pretty much low. So guys, if you are in the United States, you want full-time job, focus on this one first before you move to this. This can be your side hustle though, because you can even work at your own schedule. So they will provide you laptop and all the benefits. They have many benefits. Yeah, as you can see. So go to your Google browse, right? Go Teams, you will see all these positions. Let's go back to other position, digital marketing assistants. Yes, as you can see, this is digital marketing assistants. As well, their pay is not that high, as you can see. It's ranged in this $600 because the company is based in Philippines, all right? So by the work from home, and you can work remotely from anywhere for this position. Digital marketing assistant. So if you have all these qualifications, they request you at least degree in marketing, communication, graphic design, or related fields, proficient in video editing and multimedia production tools, and strong command of graphic design tools such as Canva and Adobe Illustrator. All right, and they have all the benefits. As you can see, they have so many benefits. If you are interested to this position, this is really important. You have to read through all the story related to this company, because you don't have to apply to the job to the company that you don't even understand. Go to their LinkedIn, check all the information to this job, go to this website, explore before you apply. Make sure your resume is matching the position that you're applying. Also, make sure your LinkedIn show your previous work experience related to these kind of jobs. You can work remotely, and you can see, let's say, accounts payable check. If you click here to view job, again, the payment is not high, all right? Accountant payable check, full remote night shift. Yes. The skills, at least minimum of 2 years of experience. Real estate industry is highly preferred, proficient in Excel for data analysis, and so many more. Again, the company is Go Team. Yes, they have so many positions. As you all know, I do like to visit this Simply Hired because there are so many jobs always. Let's say you are interested in data entry jobs, all right, and you want to filter maybe 24 hours. Go to this website, Simply Hired Data Entry Remote, and filter the jobs. You can see this job was posted 15 hours ago, and the job is data entry, and this is their company, Restaurant Insurance Billing. This is the full remote, and you're gonna be paid $16 to $18 per hour. So the qualification, you have to have skills in Microsoft Excel, data management, organization skills, and computer skills. All right, and there is other jobs here. The title is Remote CTMS Coordinator. This is the company Actarent. This is their logo. If you go to the Google browse, type Actarent, make sure you search about this job, Actarent, and see the logo if it's matching with the your search. And they have this high paying, up to $44 per hour. This job was posted 10 hours ago. As I make this video, there is qualification. You have to have Microsoft Excel, clinical search, data entry, and at least 1 year of experience. All right. Let's see another job they have. They have healthcare billing specialist. They have remote call center representative. If you click here, this is the company, Advent Med. Yes, you can work for this company as remote call center representative. And the payment is up to $12 per hour. This job was posted 1 hour ago as I make this video, and you can see the benefits: paid training, health insurance, work from home, and this is the qualification: sales, customer sales, call center, and data entry. Alright, guys, there are so many jobs. If you are looking for maybe virtual assistant, go ahead and type here virtual assistant and so many more. Guys, this is the job that I had for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please go ahead and give me a like because it's really helped me to grow my channel. Also, share with your friends. Yes, if you are looking for jobs, share with your friends who are looking for jobs as well. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for visiting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.